That's a good idea.
Because he has the longest tongue I've ever seen on a cat.
Yeah, I noticed that too. He's got a pretty long tongue.
There it is, zoomed in far enough. He's probably like, what the
Look
hell?
at that face.
Yeah.
Yep. He's a boy, he is.
That's Hobo the stray, and he's got the longest tongue in the world.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amazing little guy.
No, I don't want to scare him. Even though he was just up here. Look at all this hair is from him. There you go.
Yeah, he's a hairy little rascal, he is. So did he run off, did he? He hike off someplace? I don't see
Hobo?
him
He's
now.
right there. He come back over here.
He came back. Okay.
Yeah, he's right here.
Well, come on, buddy. You gonna come back over here? Come on. Come on. Come on. Daddy get you.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay. Look after you. Look at that boy. Oh yeah, that's too good. Gotta do this. Oh, good one, yes. Are you videoing? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
videoing it.
Oh, look at that one. That's a good one there, yeah. Yeah, we better get all the photos we can. You're going to a new home here soon, huh? There we go. Dave's got plenty of photos of the Hobo. We need to find out who you go to so we can come and visit you sometime too. Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh, wow, that's the spot, Daddy. Do the ears, Daddy, do the ears. Do the other ear, Daddy. Look at this cat. Yes. Oh my goodness, what a happy boy. Are you a happy boy? Huh? Can we get the brush again? God, you got so much hair coming off of you. Yes, you do. You like the brush too, don't you? The other cats, they like to fight with the brush, but you don't. You like it. Oh, you are just the neatest cat. You have problems with that ear, don't you? I've seen you digging that same ear about 3 or 4 times now. I think you might have a couple of mites. But we'll get you fixed up with that. We'll get some neem oil in there. Hey, what you doing? Yeah, look at you. That face just slays me. You cannot look at that cat and not smile. I think it's early bed tonight, buddy. I think I'm gonna bag that out because we got to get up early to go tomorrow. And I am whooped. I'm just plain whooped.
Oh, that's fine. Mandy's on her way home, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. She always calls from the car in the parking lot. I make her do that, and then I make her call me from work as soon as she gets into the office building. You know, look at you. Look at you. You can come up here on Daddy, huh? You can climb up on Daddy. Go ahead. You can climb up on Daddy. Look at this guy. Hi. Hi. Who's my buddy? Who's my pal, huh? Who is it? Who's my buddy? Oh, headbutt on the nose again. Hi. Psst. No. No. Kitty, look what you have done. That's all right, I love it.
There's mark everywhere.
Yeah, I can get that off with tape. It's all static electricity, so it's sticking like crazy.
Come on, cat.
Hey, buddy. What you doing? Huh? He's purring. Yes, I hear you. Are you happy?